In this video, we made a list of cartoon characters and their enemies from different countries. So let's get started.
Augie and cockroaches from France, Kralsakir and Kursat from Turkey, Chota Bheem and Kalia from India, Mickey Mouse and Pete from United States, Mr. Bean and Julia Wicked from United Kingdom, Nobita and Gyan from Japan, Max and the Shadow Master from Thailand, Puka and Ring Ring from South Korea, Ash and Team Rocket from Japan, Susan Test and Bling Bling Boy from Canada, Bloom and the Tricks from Italy, Motu and John from India, Jerry and Tom from United States, Briar and Logger Wick from China, Burka Avenger and Baba Bandook from Pakistan, Smurfit and Garag Mail from Belgium, Ninja Turtles and Shredder from United States, Maya and Hank from Germany, Red and Bad Piggies from Finland, Pato and Ale from Spain, Beer and the Rabbit from Russia, Ben Tennyson and Wilgax from United States, Boy and Adudo from Malaysia.